Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your data of the app Flow. So guys, if you want to delete your Flow data, then this video is for you. So first of all, you just need to be in your app library and just go ahead and find Flow, open it, and once you're there, you just need to look on the left corner where the avatar is, and once you tap there, just scroll down till you find privacy settings over here. You can see privacy settings with other options like app settings, access code, reminders, but we just need to focus on privacy settings because the solution to our problem is right there. So just tap on it, and now you have the options like Flow Privacy Explained, Request Information, Change Account Details, Manage Your Consents, and Delete My Account. So guys, if you are really set on deleting your data, you can also choose to delete your account altogether and delete any data associated with it. But if you don't want to delete your account but don't want the app to get any of your data, then you just need to go ahead and tap on Manage Your Consent. And once you're there, you'll find the second option over here that says Allow Flow to process my health data. So if you turn this button off, then Flow would no longer be able to process your data or get any access to it. So guys, just turn this off and you would have successfully deleted your data from Flow. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.